Okay, so what clients want and what they need to know. Sometimes lash stylists can get a little bit carried away with styling when really they should be focusing more on retention. How do I get my eyelash extensions to last a long time? So when I have surveyed clients, because I do like to ask them questions, just general conversation, being nosy, 90% of clients say they are more concerned with retention than styling. Yeah, they still want to look good, but having the most perfect styled lashes isn't as important for them. They want their lashes to look good for a long time. So having the absolute most perfectly blended lashes may not be that important to them. Your clients may prefer appointment time preference over a discount. So it depends who your ideal client is, who you're marketing to. If you're marketing to the younger girls, a lot of them will be after the cheaper prices, discounts where possible. Whereas if you're going to be focusing on clients that are, say, over 35 years of age, they would be more likely wanting appointment preference times. Like they might want that 9:30 a.m. spot right after they drop the kids off. They want to be coming in to see you every 2 or 3 weeks. Or they may always want that 6 p.m. on Friday appointment. So make sure you mention your client's name often when they're with you. So it makes them feel important. People love hearing their names. Just doing good lashes these days isn't good enough, because every year there are more and more really talented lash stylists improving their skills, bettering themselves. So for me, when I would do lashes, yeah, I do great lashes, but I also like to get to know my clients really well. So besides remembering them, mentioning their name, I also like to have my clients laughing at least once. And I also like to have them leaving with a new fact. So usually their partners or their husbands, they don't really like me that much, because after they've seen me, you know, they need to buy some new gadget that Joy's told them about. You know, I've researched something new and they need to go and do this. And then we talk about food a lot. So that's my recipe for keeping my clients. Yours might be different depending on who your ideal client is.